Listen to the dreadhead trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust what I say 100%. Know I have your best interests and always keep it 100. Been about a month and change, so I done a AMC video. Shout out to my new subscribers that I pulled up. Sorry for the wait. People got things to do. Let's talk about it. Today, AMC absolutely caught a rocket ship. It is on the way back up. I can't believe what I'm saying right now. It is up 22.5% on the day. Went up 39 cents today. June 1st. First of the month. How you shorts feel now? Tell me, how's my butt taste? All you haters in the comments, F y'all. Talking about we gonna go broke. Talking about reverse stock split gonna happen. Delisting. It's not off the table, but if you're short AMC stock, I don't feel sorry for you. You know why? Because people like me make these videos and try to help you scary idiots get rich. But y'all don't want to take no risk. You just want to hate on people like me, right? We're only 100 and some subscribers. Eat a dick. I'm just going to show y'all something. For those of y'all that have been buying, shout out to y'all, the original apes. Just on Friday, this stock went up 15 cents, 9.5%. It blew out of this bull flag that started on April 17th when it hit 194. That was the last time I did the video. Check out that video. I have it attached. Very informative information. Down over here, we're looking at the 27th of March. It hit an all-time low of 93 cents. And look what it's done ever since then. It's just completely soared, man. This is unbelievable. This is over 100% gain if you bought this bottom. I did not buy this bottom. I didn't have enough money to risk. I didn't want to YOLO and go all in because we all know when I create this black hole, AMC very well could be trading below 50 cents right now. So all you people out there that regret not buying this dip, it's all good. As long as you hold, like I've been holding, you're going to be all right if you have faith, man. And that's exactly what I have. I want y'all to take a look at this red diagonal line right here. Ever since its all-time low, AMC has been bouncing off this line. So now we're looking at a green giant candle that hit $2.22. I won't be surprised if it goes up higher to the previous all-time low in 2024 of $2.38. I needed to hit this line. If it does, I could see it bounce down. Who knows? Possibly all the way down to like 150. I doubt it, but I'm just showing you that this is the kind of things that happen. Stocks don't go up or down a straight arrow. They always have green and red days as you're seeing. So my break even, check out my short. I'm attached that has more information on my stocks and my options. My break even is at $2.55 with my AMC shares. And I will be officially in the money with my 2 AMC calls that expire in January 2027. I have a plan on when I'm going to sell these calls. I'm not going to sell my stocks when it hits this point. Maybe a little bit. There's really no point because I basically have 200 more extra shares. And yeah, man, I'm cooking, man. I'm feeling pretty damn good. And look at this, man. Look at this number in your upper left-hand corner of the screen. 116 million, over 160 million and a half shares traded today. And that takes me to the dark pool statistics chart that I show y'all every so often. Just the SPY right here. What the hell is it, man? Here we go. AMC right over here. 62% off exchange shares. That is over 72 million, nearly 73 million volume off exchange. This is relatively low I'm used to seeing over 70%, over 80%. I remember one day this year, this was over 90% of exchanges or off exchange trading of AMC being a dark pool. This is ballistic, man. I'm going to go over what's causing AMC to pump like crazy today. We're going to talk about it. This may be a long video. I don't intend for it to be, but hang with me. It'll be worth the wait. I promise you. Look over here on this article posted today by Motley Fool, June 1st. As I said, the reason why this stock is going crazy, AMC has reported 25.5 million May moviegoers. I thought movies were dead. I thought nobody wanted to go out on dates no more or take their families out to the movies. So all you weirdos that aren't socially capable of going outside since 2020, y'all stayed in the house, and that's cool. We all did. But when the sun was shining and everybody took the jabs, people like me were back outside, man. And AMC is doing a dramatic recovery, man. This is amazing. It closed out at 211 today, like I said, up 22% on the day. Man, this is the largest amount of people visiting since 2019, pre-COVID. This is just amazing, man. It just feels good that I stick with what I know. I trust my gut. I follow my instincts, man. It's not over yet. It's just the beginning. And AMC is up 276 above the 3-month average of about 30.5 million shares that trades monthly. Of course, we know AMC has tanked 99% since going public back in 2013, and that's because of the MOAS aftermath with the manipulation and the hedge funds and the market makers pushing the stock all the way down. We the people outnumber these a-holes. That's why AMC is starting to pump once again. It's like a volcanic eruption. I consider AMC and GameStop like cryptocurrencies as far as their charts go. It goes up really high, it's down really low, and it goes back up by every 3 to 4 years, man. Y'all people just gotta have some faith and understand how these charts in this market work, man. It is real out here, man. People are eating. If you bought at 93 cents or $1, you are cooking right now. You have more than doubled your money. Haters can't tell you nothing. But check this out, man. Toy Story 5, Supergirl, Minions and Monsters is coming out this summer. We have other movies that have recently come out. The Michael Jackson biopic. Hit you with some straight facts, man. 97.2 million domestically tickets were sold in the debut weekend of the Michael biopic. As we all know, Michael Jackson was the most famous celebrity in the world before he died, and I think it's still the most famous celebrity, arguably, entertainment-wise, of all time, because all the baby boomers in the silent generation, even people my generation, the millennials and Jags, every generation, even the young kids, all wanted to see this movie. I heard they're great. I need to go see it. This is the biggest biopic debut of all time. It broke the record of, I believe, Ray Charles. I forgot what that previous record, but yeah, man. Shout out to Michael Jackson, Thriller, the GOAT. He's helping AMC pump. RP to the legend. The snake, the nemesis to the shareholders. Adam Aron, just on May 19th, purchased 250,000 shares, costing about $345K. The average costs about $1.38 per share. In my opinion, I feel like he's playing both sides as well as the shorts, because they know that we retail investors and a bunch of gamblers and YOLO people are jumping in on this. And I made several videos on AMC saying that this was going to happen. The lower that these shorts push the price, people are going to buy this dip, and people like me are going to hold, and we're going to wait for the volcano to erupt. And this is exactly what is happening. I believe they're just gonna let this like soar along until it gets to a certain level. We never know what's gonna happen, but We have all these movies out in theaters right now, man. There goes Michael, April 24th, killed the box office in May, obviously. And these are upcoming movies coming out. You got Millions July 1st, Minions and Monsters July 1st, exactly a month from today. Then you got a scary movie coming out this weekend. Come on, man. They're just going to do stupid numbers. They tease all the parody. They do parodies on all these scary movies that recently happened, and events that's going on. And this is going to be crazy, man. The Wayans brothers, shout out to the Wayans brothers. Shout out to Black Excellence, June 19th. That's what we're doing here, man. And speaking of Juneteenth, I'm a little offended. Toy Story 5 coming out June 19th, on Juneteenth. No black toys. I'm not surprised it's Toy Story, but the fact that they coming out this on Juneteenth, come on, man. I hope I get a surprise and see a black toy. But nonetheless, man, I grew up watching the Toy Story movies. Love this franchise, man. This is going to do stupid numbers, man. This is going to be booming. Just look at all these releases that are coming out, man. And then they did the soccer deal. They're about to be playing the football games overseas, all across the world. AMC is about to have it on Peacock. You don't think that's going to do numbers? Soccer is the biggest, most popular sport in the entire world, man. Death of Robin Hood. This is going to be a wild one. This might be a surprise to people. Be on the lookout for that. Supergirl. This is coming out June 26th. More soccer games coming out this month. Jackass. All them weird white dudes doing crazy stunts. They back. Best and last. Jackass Best and Last. June 26th. Here goes Minions. Come on, man. I'm going to keep going down. You see what I see? Spider-Man Brand New Day. July 31st, 2026, man. Come on. Stop playing with me, man. This is the summer. Willy Wonka, 55th anniversary. Come on, man. Come on. People got to believe, man. Stop listening to the mainstream media. Of course, why I say it's not financial advice, but I'm not going to steer y'all the wrong way. I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. Look at this weekly chart, man. 3 consecutive green candles. Ever since AMC dipped to around 130, just 3 weeks ago, man. Look at this, man. What's this formation called? 3 white soldiers? Yeah. So I won't be surprised if I see a red candle come down, but you see how this happened right here? 3 white soldiers up here, red candle. Could happen next week. Of course, I can't predict the future. I hope it keeps going up, man. But if AMC busts down past this, I may temporarily short AMC because if it breaks its resistance line. I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just showing you how I trade, what I do. You don't got to copy, you shouldn't. I do what I do, you do what you can. That's the difference. Earnings is coming out projected for the 8th of August. So we still got 2 more months before earnings come out, and you know them second quarter results are going to be crazy, man. I just kind of went over pretty much why. Look at the monthly chart, man. The last 3 months, we have 3 white soldiers in this formation too. This is crazy, man. Look at all the months that AMC was down. Look at all these bull flags from the past. Look at the RSI, bro. Look at the RSI at the bottom of the screen. We are over bought once again. Ever since the 17th of April, where it was only 80, I'm saying only, but compared to this, 88 million shares traded. Today, 116 million. The RSI is going crazy, man. What do I think is going to happen on the up and up? I do think it's going to test, like I said, the previous all-time low, 2024, 238. Being realistic, I could see AMC going to $3 this week, man, or next week or this month. I can't predict anything, like I said, but I really won't be surprised if I see this go at least $4 or $5 at a peak at some point after retracement. After hours, pre-market, anything can happen. Like, share, comment, subscribe, get this out. My apes that I've been holding, you may have some hope. Who knows if anybody will ever get their money back from the 2021 meltdown after the MOAS. But people like me that have been buying since last year in 2023 and 24, we have a chance to regain some of that money back and some, man. This could be life-changing money. But until next time, this your boy, Train G's with G. I'm out.